I'm Stancy and I'm a format expert. Today I'm going to discuss with you your website's design on mobile. Formats themes are all responsive, meaning that they automatically rescale and reformat for best view on mobile devices. When you're in your design editor, as I am now, you can also look in mobile view as you're making changes to your website. So if I switch to this icon in the center, I can see how my website is displaying on mobile. So you can see that my menu goes to the top. On most themes where there's a side menu, it will be displayed at the top. And my menu is condensed into a drop-down menu. I can also view the way my images display. And I can navigate to other pages to see how things like my collection page will display on a mobile device. I can also look at my website on a full view or with the design editor. I can stay in mobile view as I make adjustments to my website as well. On certain themes, there's also going to be some controls in the advanced theme options for mobile display. This isn't typical, but with themes like the one that I'm on now, Skyline, which has a horizontal display, if I go into the gallery pages, you'll see that I can toggle on or off the option to show images full height on mobile. So this will allow my images to fit within the screen frame instead of going full height as they are on my desktop version. But many of our themes will simply auto format for best mobile display. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to our help desk, and one of our 24/7 help desk support people would be happy to assist you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.